Good day, mate. In this video, we will talk about editing. Let's get into it. This is the first video of editing, so you guys can follow along with the playlist up here. Alright? Editing and Adobe series. Alright? Why Adobe? Because in my daily basis, I'm using Adobe because I'm comfortable with Adobe. Yes, Adobe Creative Cloud plans is a bit expensive for some people, but you can buy separate plans for you need. Okay? But I have the all apps plans in my Adobe account. So in this video, I will show you how to install Adobe software in your computer. Let's get it. Okay, as you see here, okay, by the way, pardon my screen because I'm using ultra wide screen. So I have this Creative Cloud All Apps. Okay, if this too expensive to you, you can buy another single plans apps from Adobe. Okay, like Premiere only or Photoshop only, or the best value is All Apps. All right. So I'm uninstalling my Adobe After Effects so I can show you guys how to install it in your Creative Cloud desktop software. Okay, so how to install Adobe software in your computer? You just click the install button. That's it. It's really easy. I don't understand why people need a tutorial for this, you know, because this is so easy. But for some cases, they need to install a previous version of After Effects, not the latest software Adobe had. So I cancel this. Okay, yes, cancel. And if I want to use After Effects from 2019, I click this three dotted button and click other version. All right, just scroll After Effects 18 and install. All right, so I got this After Effects version 18 in my computer, and I want the latest After Effects in my computer also. All right, so I'm just install it and click. This will install our software, and when I want to update my Adobe software, I just click here and I click update. Yes, continue, update, 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 update. Okay, it's easy as that. So you might be wondering, why should I install After Effects from last year? Okay, in the latest version of After Effects, they don't have a ray tracing renderer. So you guys might need to install the previous version of the After Effects. I know After Effects, the latest version is good and all, because they had the AI and the good stuff, you know. But sometimes you need the previous version of the After Effects. So why not use both? In your Creative Cloud, you get this flexibility. So if you are a content creator, you might need to purchase the All Apps Creative Cloud plans in your Adobe account. So that's it. If you guys have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.